Okay, we've got a broadband cable here with a power outlet. When it was fitted, the wall behind it was rotten and it's fallen, not strong. It's just fallen away. So we're going to patch this up. We're going to keep these screws here, and we're going to keep these wires free so we can push the power point back on the wall. First of all, give it a bit of a wet down. Just check it doesn't need opening up a bit more. Loose around there, so just open that up a bit more before we do it. No, that's not too bad. It's the old lime mortar here, it's quite soft. And a few wedges here to firm bricks up put in, but we'll be putting corner cement in there as well, which will help firm them up a bit more too. So we'll just see if we can open up those bricks a little bit. And we'll be pushing the corner cement right in there to firm it up again, that brick, loose brick. Okay, we'll get a bit of plaster. We'll use a smaller scraper here too. So we want to leave these screws in place. Pushing it right in to try and get into those cracks in the brickwork. Okay, we'll let that take up a bit now. Okay, we'll start polishing it up now with a bit of water. A bad time just to check that power point either. We'll make sure it's going to sit flat on the wall. Right, that's sitting pretty flat on the wall, so that'll be fine. Very nice ornate ceiling here with fruit type corners. Nice panel. So we're just waiting for this to take up.
Revolution's tried,
Yep.
but they end up with
Another coat on here. Yeah, it's a long story, isn't it, really? A little bit tricky going around everything, just compared to a normal little patch. Come back to that in a minute. Just scrape that back a bit. See? Well, it's firmed up enough. Now I'm going to scrape it back flat just by using this little scraper. Use a trowel right down the bottom. Right, that cable's there, it's loose. And you've still got the screws there in place. I'll give it another little quick coat. Okay, we'll let that take up a bit more. Let's give it another quick skim. Oh, we're getting there, it's pretty close now.
I got it by the drill he was using.
Right.
Because he's worked in these old homes before.
Right.
And he says you've got to not have too high impact on your drill setting.
Oh, yeah.
You're trying to do it too fast.
Yep.
So he said that will work.
Yeah.
If other people are like that.
Depends what you like, really.
I find it odd when I've already got a service, like a subscription or something, and it's still showing up as a Google ad on the sides or on the bottom
Oh,
of
yeah.
the pages, and
Yeah.
I'm thinking, this is pretty dumb. It already knows I've got to. Google must be smart enough to know I already go to their site, and I'm a member because I've got would have several page views of their site.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, why, and the people who are already subscribed are thinking, hang on, they're wasting an eyeball ad on me.
Yeah, that's right.
So there's a little bit of refinement that could be done there.
Yeah, I'll always be doing that, I think. That's coming up pretty good now. Looking pretty close now. That's nearly finished now. We'll be able to put the plug back on in a minute. Okay, we'll just take those couple of screws out. Move plastered around. And then we'll screw the electrical box back on. Yeah. Okay, we're just putting this
I think it was this one.
point box in. Up a bit higher, good again.
Yeah, just trying to get the...
Alright.
Yeah, maybe I'll start it with
Right.
the finger.
Okay, it's going to sit pretty well there.
Might need a few more than that.
Just down the other side. It's sitting pretty flat on the wall, which is what we want.
Oops.
Oh.
How tight should I do it?
Oh, just average.
Just average, I might have overdone it here. Less
That'll be
solid,
fine.
isn't it? Yeah. So we put the cables...
Push the cables back,
Back
yeah,
in.
yeah. That's for the internet and telephone this. So don't have to worry too much about power. If it was electric, we'd want all the power turned off in the house while we're doing this.
A little tricky. What I get there.
Mm. There we go.
And
Yeah.
I said, I'll cop that.
Mm.
He was pretty happy.
Very good.
He was looking a bit worried.
Mm. Just putting that face on the power box. Or an aerial box, internet box. looking pretty good. So that's pretty well done now. I hope you enjoyed that. Take care. Hope to see you again. Thanks. Bye bye.